afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. So, content-related offenses. We have cybersex, child pornography, and libel. So, what we say cybersex? The willful engagement, maintenance, control, or operation directly or indirectly of any lascivious exhibition of sexual organs or sexual activity. So, what we see cybersex is engaging two persons na maghimo bitog sexual activities through electronic device or technology. So, by video chat or text messaging. So, by video chat is kana bitaw mag video chat sila dayon magpakita ay bitaw sila mga private part. O then in text messaging is ang ilahang mga topic dito is mga di bitaw mga basti bitaw mga topic dito like sigot sila about ng kana-kana o ana-ana so in cyber 6 once a person's liable ani is pwede siya mapreso within 6 years 1 day or pwede maabot og 12 years. So ang tao nga makabuhat ani is makabayad siya maximum of 200,000. Nakadepende na siya sa sitwasyon or sa damage. So direta sa child pornography. Child pornography is the unlawful or prohibited acts. So child pornography defines and punishable by Republic Act number 9775 or the Anti-Child Pornography Act of 2009. So kanin child pornography sa siya kinds of crime which is ang involved ani is mga minor. So the taking pictures, videos of children na kada bitaw kita mga private part ang mga bata nga naghubo. Mingi kita child pornography from the word child. So minor, di ba? So kanin child pornography dai is dili lang ni siya diri sa Pilipinas na it's very known also in other or sa ubang lugar. So dito sa libel mingon tag libel is the unlawful or prohibited acts of libel. So libel defines in Article 355 of the Revised Penal Code. So libel is the publication of false statement that can damage someone's reputation. Sabot na bitaw mga storya bitaw na storya nga makahatag bitaw kanang kahatag og kawalag gana sa tao like makawala siyang reputation bitaw. Example, ikaw saka mag-post ka sa social media nga kanang tawhana is kanang bayana is burikat, kanang bayana is bayaran. So kana palandaan is makawala na siya reputation sa iya or kawaga makakuha na siya dako na kinagipikto sa iya. Dito sa Section 5 other cybercrimes offenses. Letter E is aiding or abetting in the commission of cybercrimes. Like kaniha cybersex. Yung tag-aiding or abetting in the commission of cybercrime. Example cybersex. Then nayos kana bitong usa ka tawo bitaw nga willful siya or ning engage siya na nga krimen or mi-appeal siya na so pwede siya kasuhan or aiding ning aiding or abetting in the commission of cybercrime. So there is letter B, attempt to commit cybercrime. Mingon tag attempt to commit cybercrime from the word attempt. So he have intent or he have intention ihara kabubuton bitong ma-appeal ana nga or commit ana nga klase nga krimen. Sa section 9 enforcement or law enforcement authorities. The National Bureau of Investigation or NBI and the Philippine National Police or the PNP. So ang kaning NBI o PNP is mo ni siya ang responsible nila ang mga dagko ang case like murder, rape or bisa kung sa nga basta katong mga dagko bitaw or high nga krimen. So section 10, powers and functions of law enforcement authorities. So the NBI and the PNP Cybercrime Unit or Division shall focus on the following powers and functions. So naaya tayo mga powers and functions sa usa ka law enforcement rig. First one is investigate all cybercrime regulatory systems are involved. So as a law enforcement, ug namoy nabalitaan nga kana nga lugar is na ay cybercrime nga nakuan diha. So katong computer is inyo hatong investigaran or mag-investigate mo para makakuha mo mga data or information. Kadua is conduct data recovery and forensic analysis. So katong computer nga inyo kuan is inyo hatong kuan conduct mo data recovery. Katulo is formulate guidelines in the investigation, forensic evidence recovery and forensic data analysis consistent with industry standard practices. So as a law enforcement, mag-formulate mo mga guidelines na amoy sundon, dili mo basta-basta nga maghimo lang og kuan nga wala mo'y guidelines or wala mo'y kana bitong ano kalagikan sa karasan. Opat, provide technology support investigating units within the PNP. So as kuan ka, as a government employee ka, kinahanglan nga suportahan nimo to ang mga investigating unit like PNP and NBI, including the search, seizures, evidence. So suportahan mo to sila sa pagkuha bitaw sa mga evidences or sa ilang mga informasyon na makuha. Kalima is develop public-private sector and law enforcement agency. So kinahanglan nga as a law enforcement ka na kay kanitong relasyon sa kuan laing agency. Then kaunom is maintain necessary and relevant databases or statistical monitoring purposes. So i-maintain nimo or nabito mo ibasihan bitaw or databases, dapat i-maintain nimo na siya or imuha siyang i-monitor bitaw kung unsay mga kuan na or say kuan improvement. Then 7 is develop capacity within the organization in order to perform such duties and serve enforcement of the act. Yung develop capacity within the organization in order to perform. So kinahanglan as a law enforcement mo buhaton gyud ninyo inyong duties or job. And 8, support the formation and enforcement of national cybersecurity plan. So diba sa pagkuha niyo information or data, so kinahanglan mo mga plano. So sa law enforcement ka, supportaran nimo tong plano or supportaran nimo tong plano nga nakuan. Then 9 is perform other functions as may be required by the act. Dayon dito sa Section 11, duties of law enforcement. This to ensure that the technical nature of cybercrimes and its prevention is given focus and considering products involved. Law enforcement authorities shall act in accordance with the guidelines. So sa masong giingon kini nga sa law enforcement, di ka pwede basta-basta nga maghimo lang kag imuhang steps or mag-iya kag imuha, dapat nakay guidelines nga ginasunod. Guidelines nga si Jude or mga advisories or mga procedures nga ginasunod. Dito sa section 12, preservation and retention of computer data. Mingon tag preservation is kana bitong mag-preserve ka sa usa ka information. Example, as a law enforcement ka, makakuha kag information ana nga databases or anang computer sa imuha nang is-preserve or imuha nang i-retain aron magamit na as a evidence. Law enforcement authorities may order a one-time extension for another 6 months that once computer data that is preserved, transmitted, or stored by a service provider is used as evidence. Sama sa kung giingon ganihaw, itong once makuha na kag information, pwede mo na siya magamit as evidence mo. Yung tag service provider is mo na siya ang taga panukala bitaw or silbi mao na siya ang sa kuan pa detective sa kuan sa computer. Ano siya mag-provide or mag-keep sa usa ka computer data. Dahil dito sa section 13, dito sa section 13, collection of computer data, from the word collection. So collect nimo ang mga data ng kuan importante. Then law enforcement authorities upon the issuance of court warrant shall be authorized to collect of record. So sa law enforcement ka, you have the authorized to collect record by technical or electronic means. So the court warrant required under this section shall be issued or granted upon notification. There are reasonable grounds to believe that any crimes enumerated. So magkuan gyud kag evidence, dapat connected na siya sa katong kuan, connected na siya sa kuan ninyo. Like for example, kana nga data or ang inyong database is about sa computer data, like mag-cover mo cybercrime. So inyong nang kuan dapat magkuha mo evidence na dapat connected ato. There are some grounds to believe that the evidence that will be obtained is sufficient to conviction of any person. So but pasabot is katong evidence is na siya connection or pwede siya, it's all about person, pwede siya sa tao. 3. There are no other means available for obtaining such evidence. So section 14, disclosure of computer data. The law enforcement authorities upon securing a court warrant shall issue an order requiring any person of service provider. So as a law enforcement ka, kinahanglan nga mag-secure mo sa ka court warrant that issue sa usa ka person. So kaning service provider is mo ni siya ang mag-submit or mag-disclose within 72 hours gikan sa receipt of such order. So law enforcement authorities shall record all sworn complaints. So as a law enforcement ka, unsay complaints ato or unsay mga gipang or unsay complaints sa kuan is kinahanglan nimo nga i-official nimo kuan or i-take note nimo para maimbestigahan. So that's all. Thank you.